In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with Section Grid in Wix Studio. Understanding how to use Section Grid in your web design with Wix Studio can really elevate the look and functionality of your website, making it both user-friendly and visually appealing. So let's dive into the process of how you can add and set up the grid layout for your site. First, let's start by adding and setting the grid layout to your desired section. When you open your new section within Wix Studio, you'll notice an option right there to edit the grid layout. It's quite intuitive, and all it takes is a simple click. This feature allows you to manipulate the structure of your section in ways that suit your design and content needs. Alternatively, if you're working with an existing section that you'd like to customize, simply click on the section itself to get started. Once you've selected your section, go ahead and open the inspector. This is where you'll find most of the control features available to you as you design. Scroll down within the inspector until you find the layout settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of layout options that you can choose from, depending on the structure and style you'd like to implement. Think about the type of grid that will best accommodate the content you'll be placing in the section, whether it's images, text, or other media, and make your selection carefully. After setting your grid layout, you're ready to move on to designing the section itself. This part of the process is no different from designing any other section on your website. You now have a highly flexible and adjustable section that can be manipulated with the same ease as other elements in Wix Studio, but it's now enhanced with the functionality of a grid layout. This gives you the power to layer content, align it perfectly, and create a more dynamic look for your site. So just go ahead and start designing. Incorporate your images, text, and any other multimedia elements as you usually would. You'll find that designing within a grid structure not only helps in keeping things organized, but also enhances the overall consistency and aesthetic of your website. By following these steps to add and customize the grid layout in Wix Studio, you'll be able to create sections that are not only good-looking, but also highly functional. With a little creativity, you can truly make the most out of the grid feature and give your site a polished, professional appearance. Now it's time to unleash your creativity and have fun designing. Happy building and enjoy the freedom that grid layouts bring to your web design experience.